name is Shauna, and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! How's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. Everybody's being happy or sad or whatever. No, just kidding. Okay, so today I'm going to do my makeup tutorial. Yes, my makeup tutorial. And I've already started with my eyebrows, and I use precisely my brow pencil. Yay! No, just kidding. Okay, this is the number 5, and I've already lined it out. So my next step is the Brow Val Conditioner Primer. I just put it on like that. Easy, right? Yes, easy as 1, 2, 3. So, next item I'm going to use is my Gimme Brow Plus. And it's the color 5, and this is from Benefit. So I just tap it on. So guys, I was thinking, do you have like one of those days where you feel like, oh, I want to do something different? I so feel like I can't do anything. I don't know what to do. Well, here's the deal. I know I'm excited because check it out. I've got 10 things where you don't need to have any type of requirements or talents. Yes, 10. Do you want to know what they are? I'm not going to do that to you. Well, one of the requirements is being on time. Yes, be on time. That's easy, right? No talents. Just be on time. So, eyebrows are done. So, MAC. This is the concealer, MAC, and this is the Studio Finish concealer, and this is the color NC45. And I'm going to use my brush, which is the, I call it the MAC angle brush. It's, the number on it's quite rubbed off, so it's 206. So the next, the next idea I have, which requires no talent, is making an effort. Yes, you would be surprised how much making an effort could be. I mean, as far as if you go in there with a positive attitude, right? Or if you have a positive attitude, just doing it with a, like, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna, make an effort. It's easy, right? So, the next step is MAC Strobe Cream, and I use this as my base, and it's the color Goldlite. So, the next thing on my list is high energy. Yes, high energy. Yes, and you don't need no talent for high energy. Yes, go in there with I can do it. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can. I can do it. Yes, oh, wait, okay. MAC Studio Fix, the color NC45, Beauty Blender. This is my foundation, so I'll be using that next. So, the very next idea I have, which requires zero talent, is motivate yourself. Yes, positivity. It works. So, Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer. MAC brush, $195. Yes, $195. So guys, the next idea I have, being passionate. That's right, be passionate about whatever you decide to do. Be passionate. Passionate. Show some compassion. No, be passionate. Passionate. Yes. Show that you're into it, not just giving effort, high energy, being positive, but also show that you're really passionate about it. That makes a big difference. And you don't need a talent for that. MAC Prolong Concealer for the under eyes. Ooh, yes, I have to get rid of these guys. And of course, I'm using my beauty blender. So, you want to know the next item or the next thing I have on my mind, which requires zero talent? That's right, I'm going to keep you guessing. No, I'm not going to do that. Good body language. Yes, good body language. And what does that mean, good body language? Yeah, how your posture, the way you carry yourself. Good body language. Open. Don't come in with your hands all, your arms all crossed. That's a no-go, because it shows that you're not open. Or crossing your legs. Be open. Hold your head up high. Good body language. Yes. So I'm going to use my Urban Decay, and this is the Cherry collection, and you can still get it today because I know it's one of their collection lines that will stay. And I'm going to use my MAC brush, and this is number 217. It is rubbed off, so I'm guessing that it's 217, but I'm sure it's 217. 217, yes. Okay. And I'm going to take this color, Feliz. Feliz. Is it like Feliz happy in Spanish? I don't know. Okay, so the next idea I have is being open to learning. Not closing yourself. Be open to learning from somebody. Just be open. Be coachable. Learn. Be open for that. That doesn't require a lot of talent, does it? No. So you can do it. Urban Decay brush. Urban Decay collection. Cherry. Yes. So I'm going to take the color Privacy. Privacy. Just a little dibby dabby there. Like to smoke that eye out. So, the next idea I have, very easy, doesn't require a lot of talent, is do a bit extra. Put in a little bit more effort. Extra work, It doesn't require a lot of talent, does it? No, it doesn't require a lot of talent. Just do a little bit more than usual. Yes, you can do it. It's no big deal. Just do a little bit more. If you're passionate about it, then it won't be a big deal, right? Yes, I'm using my favorite eyeliner from MAC, and this is the Photogravure. That's the color. And I'm gonna smoke out that bottom, of course, but first I gotta put my eyeliner down, and I use my beauty blender to help me to do that. So the next idea I have is to prepare yourself. Whatever you do, preparation. Prepare yourself. Yes, preparation. That's It's so important. But it doesn't really require any talent. Isn't that cool? Just prepare yourself. Already do the homework prior to whatever you decide to do. Prepare yourself. It helps. So, Yves Saint Laurent, and this is the color 1 Noir Matte. And of course, I'm gonna give myself a bat wing look. Eye wing, cat wing. It's gonna be a wing look, however. So, the last idea I have is appearance. How you present yourself. That has a huge effect on how you feel. So whatever you decide to do, make sure you're looking good and you got your makeup on. No, your hair combed, nice outfit. You know, do the best what you can. Work with what you have. You don't have to have the most expensive thing, but put the effort into it. You know, effort. That makes a big difference. Shows how you feel about yourself. And that doesn't require a talent for that. Just put the effort into it. So, I'm going to come back. I'm losing my voice. I'm going to come back and I'm going to do my final look. And then I'm going to say goodbye. It's a quick video, right? Yeah, quick video. I'm getting there, guys. I'm getting there. But there are going to be some videos where I'm going to have to. So I'll be right back. Yeah, you guys like it? So I did a lot to my eyes to get this look. So I used Jeffree Star. I used Kat Von D for lips. I used Anastsia. I used MAC. I used Fenty. And wait a minute. Ardell eyelashes. So I did a lot. I will list everything below so you know exactly what I did and how I got this eye look. This is my end look, yay! And I'm ready to get on out there and just do it. And I hope you guys are too. I hope you're feeling motivated. And yeah, I hope you were able to take something from what I just said and get out there and do something with it. And remember, there's certain things that don't really require a lot of talent. You just have to have the effort, the motivation, the passion, and appearance, and you can get out and you can accomplish anything you want to do. You just got to put your mind to it and just do it, and never feel discouraged. You can do it, all right? So get out there and start the week off with a big boom. Till next time, guys. Bye.